Alright, these are the lights for my bed of Tacoma. What was it, $26.99? FEXON LED bed lights. If you look down here, 30 watts. And they're good for the 2023 Tacoma. Well, it comes with a couple of wire harnesses. And the lights. Not rocket science. Should be plug and play. I think there's 4 bolts on the bed of the light, rear light. It should be a socket for that to just plug right into. So stay tuned. Thumbs up, subscribe, share, leave a comment. We'll see how the project goes. All right, we'll see how easy this is to put in. All you gotta do is pop those caps off. Maybe 4 bolts right there for the tail light. Pop the light in with the wire harness and plug and play. So we'll see how it turns out. Okay, here we go. Let's see what it takes. Pop this up. Okay, popped out real easy. These should just pop right in. Yep. Okay, there's a hole in the bottom here. Have to fish that through. Let's see how hard it is to take these. Tail lights out. Because just the simplicity of Toyota is amazing. You know, once they get it down to a perfect science, why mess it up? This is a 2023 Tacoma SR5. Now, stock equipment would be 60 bucks. I paid 26 for FEXON from Amazon. 30 watts. It should be the same brightness. LEDs, so it's gonna last forever. If this is hopefully as easy as I hope it is. That's one. Yeah, man. It's 2. See, the light's already wobbling out. You can see it. Try not to scratch anything. Again, you don't have to be a rocket scientist to work on this stuff. Just have to have patience. Okay, let's see how. Yeah, it's real loose. Just don't want to break anything. Okay, bottom one popped out. There you go. Oh, too easy, folks. Too easy. Okay, now where's it pop into? Okay. Let me bring this over here so you can see. See that hole right there? It'll pop in there. And I just saw the plug-in. Plug-in is right here. Too easy. Okay, that should be all right. So I'll just pop that onto that, plug it into that, and we should be done. Let's see which one goes where. Okay, right there to there. Pitch this through that hole in the bottom. Okay, red one goes to the top, folks, because that just popped right in. And it has this little bracket here. You know, I should have read some instructions, but I didn't. So I'm saying it shouldn't be that hard. It just popped in. All right, so we pop this piece in, nice and sturdy. This is the piece right here from that light. This piece right here was stuck in there. I just sort of muscled it out. I don't know if I can do this with one hand. But this whole piece, let's see if I'm trying to put you under my chin here. Phone right here. I'll drop the phone and just pop this off. Like that. Hopefully you see it. That just popped off. This will just plug in. Here's a clip, and here's a clip right here that popped in there. You got a clip right here. Just pop that in there, and bam, you're done. Let me go test it and see how it works. And like magic, I got the remote here. Let's unlock the truck. And look at that magic. same as the one up there. I'll just have to do the same replacement on this side and put the light back in. And of course, let me show you, you got the switch on the inside. This switch right here, it would be on when the doors are open, or you hit the unlock, they'll come on, or always off. Leave it on the door. Whenever you open the door, it comes on. Come out of the, or use the remote, hit the unlock, and they'll come on. This is amazing, folks. Real easy, simple. $26 FEXON from Amazon. Original equipment would have been 60 bucks, and who knows what they would have charged you to put them on. But I think they're going to be real bright, and we'll soon see. Okay, folks, one side done. Easy peasy. Lights in. 4 bolts. Little WD-40s. Puts them right back in. Easy. And we'll do this side too. You know, a lot better on the second one. You pop this out. Nice and easy. Get the extra parts right there. 4 bolts take the light out. You see? 1, 2, 3, 4. And the light and the harness. Real easy. Alright. This whole truck is put together with you can take the whole truck apart with a 10mm socket. But 4 10mm bolts hold this light in. Right, the simplicity of Toyota is, it's just spark. It's beautiful. And once you get perfection, you know, I guess you do minor little twerks. This is a 2023 Tacoma SR5. Just rear wheel drive. That's all I needed. Paid $34,500, probably a little less. And that was out the door. Now, getting the light out's a little tricky because there's 2 little bolts, or 2 little clips. You just gotta muscle them out. So, I think you want to break it. You don't want to break it. And pop. Okay, and it's out. Let me take this out so you can see. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Here and here goes. So this right here goes in here, and this one right there goes in here. There's the hole. This little clamp here. I just muscle it out. Try not to break anything. Hard with one hand, but I'll pull that out. You gotta take this big piece off. Once that's off, it's easier because it's clamped on. And the new wire harness is this big piece, and it clips on there. This wire right here is just a little piece that goes into it. Whole harness will stick in there or lower, and light goes in there. Okay, hopefully you can see. There's the red part right there. Only goes on one way. And you hear it click, click. Throw the harness through here. Reach through and catch it through the hole on the other side. On the top, and here, click in, you're in. Now we got the harness here. See this clip? It's gonna go right there. Once I muscle this piece off, let's see if I can. It's not that easy. easy. Don't want to break anything. Well, one guy hit it with a hammer to knock them out. I don't want to do that. Maybe a screwdriver to pry it off. The last one, oh, there it is. Boom. And that's the clip that goes in. There's a little clamp right here. You clamp that. I don't know if you saw it, but it pops right off. This comes off. You don't really need it. The piece clips on, and you're done. You just put it all back together. And you got this piece. Hopefully you can see it. That clips in there. We'll clip this together. It's hard to do with one hand. And then this clip will go in that hole, and you're done. Put the light back on, and you got your tail lights on, or the tailgate lights on. 26 bucks. Oh, got a fire truck in the neighborhood. That's not a good sign. Stay tuned. I guess you should always test it before you put it all back together. So here's the remote. Hit the unlock, and bam! Now you get lights in the tailgate. Again, Toyota original equipment would be 60 bucks, and who knows what that costs to install them. You can get them at Amazon. These are FEXON for $26, maybe even 10% off of that. And real easy to install. Not rocket science, folks. Save yourself some money. Alright, here's your extra parts on both sides. All I'll do is I'll just clip it back in. I love this Toyota. It's so simple and easy to do. Anything and everything on it. Everyone needs to buy a Toyota Tacoma. Amazing. Thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, and share the information. It's a real easy fix. Another option, you really don't have to pay for it at the Toyota dealer and do it yourself. Alright, lights pop back in. I just have to tighten the 4 bolts in. Just remember, when you tighten them up, little WD-40, and tight's good, tighter's broken. Thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, share the information. And I did have a friend, he replaced his lights with, I guess, infinity lights. I don't know, but I'm not paying $200 to $400 for special tail lights when there's nothing wrong with these babies. Alright, let's check out these lights. Hit the unlock button, and bam! Lights up the bed of the truck pretty well. And of course you got the one on top. I'm pretty satisfied with these FEXON bed lights. 26 bucks off Amazon, and real easy to install.